Welcome to Cember, a December weekday journey into creativity and inspiration. I'm Suzanne, a Canadian Stampin' Up demonstrator, sharing paper crafting ideas to spark your imagination. We're going to explore some techniques and celebrate the joy of crafting. I may share projects using multiple products, last chance products, scrapbooking ideas, crafting kits, or fun folds. You never know, I might throw in a 3D object or two. So whether you're a seasoned stamper or just getting started, there's something here for you. Let's dive into today's video. Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another card for Cember. We are featuring the Wintery Treetop Bundle. I'm also featuring those little birdies from the Nest of Winter. I fussy cut them out, and some of the natural tones twine. We're going to make a bow. And ignore the embellishments. I did not use a lot of embellishments for this card. So this is a piece of basic white. I am stamping the sentiment that says, "Thinking of you always," in the Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm also inking up the, I guess it's a half wreath or a bow, B-O-U-G-H, bow. And I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink because I am going to color it with blends markers. So the purpose of this card is to create a wreath on a door. So this was not my original design. I think Jay Serrano, he was the one who came up with this idea. Thanks, Jay. And these are my blends. So I'm going to be doing some coloring. I have the Granny Apple Green here that I am inking up with all the leaves. And then I am also going in with, I think that's Summer Splash, and sort of just toning down the green and bluing it out a little bit. And the berries are colored with Cherry Cobbler, and the bough, or the branches, are Pecan Pie. And I even go in and some of the berries I colored like red, and I missed some of the white, or I colored over the white. So I went in and I dotted the whites of those berries with my, I think it's called, let's see here, it is called a Uniball Signo Pigment White from Mitsubishi. I got it from Amazon. It's a fabulous little white pigment white pen that colors over alcohol markers. So I'm going to leave you to watch coloring, and I'll be back in a second. All right, I have my boho blue mini cut and emboss machine. I love this one. I like the color. I have a white one too, but this is nice because it fits on my desk, or just off to the side of my desk. Small enough to fit on your desk, easy enough to grab it and die cut some smaller pieces. But this is actually a big enough machine that can take some, yeah, it can take some abuse, really. And there's a die that fits with this bow. So again, I'm making a wreath on a door. So here I'm going to cut another, like you've seen me probably do this a million times, but sometimes it's nice to see how people do it. I always say if it's a little tight, you can sort of swap out number 1 with a gray plate, and sometimes that works a little bit better. I am fussy cutting the sentiment. A lot of you have said to me, oh my gosh, fussy cutting, that's crazy. But there's no die that goes along with this, and I really needed it to be kind of on the smaller side, so that's what I did, fussy cutting. And you know, since I'm a hairstylist, I don't mind cutting. It's fun for me. All right, so I'm going to put this together, but my designer series paper, which is called Ness of Winter, these pieces are, so the bottom part of the door is 2 inches wide by 3¼ inches tall, and the squared ones are 2 by 2. And I had somebody ask if I, did a recipe for this card or for my cards in general for craft cember. And of course, because I'm producing so many, I only usually produce 1 to 3 cards a week. And now I'm doing 5. So yeah, no, I'm not doing any recipes. There might be 1 or 2 that might have a PDF with it. They're usually fun folds that I do that with. But yeah, no, sorry. I'm only one person, and I can barely get through these videos. Did I mention I'm a hairstylist at Christmas time? Like, come on. Anyway, so I put those, the door pieces on with dimensionals. And I'm putting these wreaths on with dimensionals as well. And then the sentiment, thinking of you always, is on dimensionals. And some of the birdies even are on dimensionals. And but then I went in with, for my pine cones and my birdies and all of that, just went in with my favorite adhesive, which is Seal Plus. If you haven't tried it yet, you may want to. Because it's awesome and sticky, and sometimes it doesn't come out of the container, but we love that. It's our pleasure to use that product. Sometimes like I have always said, love-hate relationship. Sometimes I love it, but sometimes it's a pain in my ass. Pardon my French. All right. So what else? Let's see here. I used a Natural Tones twine. I think that's what it is. Natural Tones twine or string or something. Anyway, for the bow, I used 2 pieces or folded in half and tied the bow. I did that off screen because I don't know who wants to see me fumble with bows on video. No one. I'll raise my hand for you. No one wants to see that. So a little bit of a glue dot there, and I'm going to trim off the excess. I thought I might want it at the top of the wreath, but I liked it better on the bottom. I also like these little flying birds, like it's kind of cool. Oh, here's the doorknob. That comes from the Basic Gray and Smoky Slate Pearls, and that I only used 1. So there you go. I did decorate the inside of the card with the leftover birdies that I cut out. But that is my card for today, kids. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.